Three things that happen during the cell cycle are cells grow, cells divide, and cells perform necessary functions. There are 5 stages in the cell cycle and 4 in mitosis. Now, mitosis is the process in which diploid cells divide. Diploid cells are cells paired with sets of chromosomes. How many chromosomes do human diploid cells contain? 40. Dust is evidence of cell death at home because dust is made of dead skin cells. The purpose of mitosis is to make new diploid cells to replace the dead cells. During interphase, cells perform their specific functions, such as stomach cells releasing digestive enzymes to break down food. Interphase is the longest stage of mitosis. There are 3 stages of interphase: G1, S, and G2. During the first stage of interphase, the G1 stage, the cell will grow and create extra amounts of organelles. During the second stage of interphase, the S stage, the cell creates 2 new pieces of DNA. Word synthesis means to make. The third and final stage of interphase is the G2 stage. During this stage, the cell grows, just like in G1 stage.
I'm selling you
Interphase. The first stage of mitosis is prophase, during which the nucleus dissolves. The nucleus dissolves due to enzymes in the cytoplasm. Chromatin is a long, loose form of DNA. A chromosome is a more easily movable form of DNA. DNA is in the form of chromatin at the start of prophase. The job of the nucleus is to store and protect DNA. Spindle fibers are long, thin protein threads that are created by centrioles. The parts of a chromosome are the centromere and the chromatids. On a chromosome, spindle fibers attach to the centromere. The spindle fiber's job is to pull the chromosomes to the middle of the cell. At the end of metaphase, the chromosomes can be found at the equator of the cell. Metaphase. At the end of metaphase, there are 46 human chromosomes in the equator of the cell. If a cell has 10 chromosomes, then there will be 20 chromatids. You should draw her like this. If there are 10 chromosomes at the equator, then 10 chromatids will be pulled to each side of the cell at the end of anaphase. Anaphase. At the end of telophase, 2 cells will exist. During telophase, the nucleus regrows. Cytokinesis is the division of the cytoplasm. At the start of telophase, DNA is in the form of chromatids, and at the end of telophase, DNA is in the form of chromatids. Telophase. Cancer cells are constantly in mitosis and dividing. A tumor is a lump of cancer cells. Metastasize is when few cancer cells break away from the tumor and travel around your body. It's bad when cancer cells metastasize because then the cancer cells will spread all around your body. There are 100 trillion cells in the human body. X-ray radiation is used to kill cancer cells, but at the same time, it can make people sick because it can kill their healthy cells. In conclusion, mitosis is where diploid cells divide.